And we have some breaking news coming in at the start. The UP Police Special Task Force has raided the PFI office in Shaheen Bagh in the national capital today. The raids come after the police interrogated two PFI members that were arrested last week. For more on this, let's go across to my colleague Sumi, now joining us live from the national capital. Sumi, over to you. This is certainly a massive update coming in of crackdown on the PFI. Now the UP's Police Special Task Force has raided the PFI office in Shaheen Bagh.
Yes, Richa, as you correctly pointed out, the UP Special Task Force has been working on this case since a couple of months. And in fact, all of this is now coming to an end when all of, the raids, all of the offices of the PFI, that is the Popular Front of India, are getting raided almost every day now. And in fact, today also at Shaheen Bagh, the PFI office got raided in the afternoon. And the ITBP force have also been deployed there in huge numbers. The barricades have also been placed. And this arrest has come on the basis of the input that were given during the interrogation of the Rauf Sharif. This is one of the members of the Popular Front of India's student wing campus Front of India's General Secretary. So this person in question was arrested quite recently, and police had sought a 10-day custody for him. And in fact, after getting the custody of him, a constant interrogation took place. And on the basis of the inputs that he gave to the UP STF, the raids at the PFI office took place. And in fact, several DVDs, CDs, pamphlets and pen drives were also confiscated from that particular location. And the interrogation is leading somewhere in a very ghastly direction, because all the evidences that are coming to light indicate that the PFI were also trying to strengthen their roots and were also trying to expand their network in north of India. And in fact, certain explosives, detonators were also seized, and it indicates that they were in fact planning to have bomb blasts.
All right, Sumi, thank you so much for getting us that update. Meanwhile, we'll keep coming back to you for more on this even as the investigation proceeds further.